What's up, guys? Chris here from dowork BMX with the bike check. So starting off, we got Verde cartel bars, and I'm going to be completely honest in saying that I used to think Verde sucked, but the Crawley series is pretty amazing, and yeah, I'm loving it. So cartel bars, Colt, I want to say Faith grips. So yeah, they're alright, whatever. Push bar ends. Actually, no, they're Odyssey par ends. Bar end's a bar end, whatever. Stems, just a Salt Pro stem I got from my Zodiac. It's nice, I've had it forever. It's just, I don't know, I like the blue, so I kept it. Animal headset. I don't know, headset's a headset. Forks, we got Odyssey Director forks. Yes, they are bent for a reason, so all you people out there who think I have bent my forks, you're wrong. They're offset because there's the dropout is like directly in the fork. No, yeah. So yeah, get that. Get that shit. And then we've got the Vandero 2 front hub. Really nice, I like it. Odyssey, I don't know what they are. Odyssey, just safety orange spokes. G-Sport rib cage rims that I won, got for free, so I threw them on there. And I'm loving them, they're great, light, hold up. Odyssey A-Ross tire in the front. Great tire, works for just about any style of riding, trails, park, street. Grips real nice. Animal pegs, MK3s, slide well. G-Sport, I don't know, hub guard. Threw it on there. It's loose right now because I use that stupid string thing that doesn't work. And alright, moving on to the frame. Again, just threw this on today. Brand new Verde Cartel Crawley series frame. So far so good. It looks real nice. Haven't heard anything bad about it. Only positive comments. So yeah, I don't know. I'm liking it. And Shadow Conspiracy, Bazanzan blue seat. Gotta rep Drew. Guy's a beast. Alienation, pivotal post, whatever. 12 bolt cranks. Safety orange, great. Had them for a while. Holding up. Twisted PC pedals in chrome blue. Shadow Conspiracy sprocket, 25 teeth. 25-9 gear ratio, the usual. Shadow Conspiracy chain. It's finally stopped coming loose after, like, I don't even know, like, almost a year now. I don't know, it's alright. It's a decent chain. Again, G-Sport rib cage in the back. Same spokes. Raptor rear hub. I like it. It's loud. Catches quick enough. I don't know. Fairly priced, so I bought it. Rear peg, same as the front. Alright, so I'm just going to give you guys some frame facts, specs, geometry, and all that fun stuff. So it's 21-inch top tube. I want to say, I don't know, what's the degree? What do they run, like?
Something 70. It's a steeper one.
Yeah, it's much steeper. Not much steeper, but steeper than most frames. Short back end, 13.5 rear. Everything's, you know, 100% chromoly. It's Senko. I've got nothing against Senko chromoly. All the good bike companies are using it. So yeah, and that's really all I know. Heat treated, the usual. That's all I know. So yeah, it's also, actually, no, it's not true. There's a wide back end, so you can run your fat tire in there slammed. And now that's all I know. So yeah, that's all I know about the frame.
Okay, this is wheels check. Wheels check. Scooter check. Scooter check. All stock. Done.
Oh my god, I so wish I just filmed that.
You didn't.
I didn't get
Please.
Alright guys, so yeah, that's my bike.